at The Chopping Block. I am the resident health and wellness chef here, so I wanted to give you 3 tips in this video that you can use if you're looking to start eating a little bit healthier in the new year. We're actually setting up right now for our New Year, New You open house, where we're doing little teases of a lot of the healthy cooking classes coming up. So I'll give you a little tease of those too. My first tip, if you want to eat a little bit healthier, is that you definitely want to plan ahead. Now, you don't need to have, a meal plan with 21 different meals picked out, but have at least 2 recipes a week that you want to cook, even if it's something really simple like a salad. We actually put together 2 digital downloads that you can get at thechoppingblock.com. One is called the Clean Eating Getting Started Guide, and then the follow-up to that is Clean Eating Eat to Live. You can get those downloads. They're filled with a bunch of recipes, some pantry items, different things that you could use if you're looking for some recipes to start planning ahead. My second tip is that you want to stock your pantry with a lot of healthy staples. Typical American refrigerator is going to be filled with ketchup and mustard and pickles and a lot of things like that that don't really make meals. So when you're opening your fridge and you're trying to put together dinner, it's going to be really hard to do that with ketchup and mustard. So some of the things I stock in my pantry, I love to use lots of nuts, seeds, whole grains, beans. They're things that are pretty inexpensive. You can keep in jars for months at a time, and it makes it really easy to throw together a meal. I also love a lot of healthier seasonings. This is some whole grain mustard. I also live for lemons. They really brighten up food, especially if you're trying not to use too much salt or too much fat. Lemons are going to be your best friend. My third tip is that you should really embrace tastes that you love. So many people, when they're trying to start a healthy diet, pick foods and ingredients that they don't really like. If you don't like salads, you're not all of a sudden going to eat salads 7 days a week for the rest of your life. So instead, embrace the tastes and textures that you like and use some healthier whole food ingredients to make them. Tonight at the open house, we have a dark chocolate vegan mousse. I make something similar in my clean eating boot camp with avocado, coconut milk, maple syrup, and cocoa powder. That's it. It's a way to make something really rich and decadent tasting without needing a ton of ingredients or a lot of unhealthy, super sugary tasting desserts. So I hope those tips helped you out. If you're not joining us for the New Year, New You open house tonight, please check out one of our other healthy eating cooking classes. You can join me at a clean eating cooking class. Coming up this month and next month, I have my plant-powered protein class, filling fats and very vegetables. And of course, I would love to see you at my signature hands-on class, Clean Eating Boot Camp. We have 2 spots available next Saturday, January 21st, and we also have a class coming up in April. So if you can't make it in January, hope I can see you at Clean Eating Boot Camp in April. Enjoy some good food tonight. Thanks.